What is the common mistakes in the put away process in the warehouse? First, the wrong quantity is counted at the time of counting during the receiving process. As we know, inventory can come in multi-units of measurements. It could be in carton, in boxes, in drum, in bag, and in so many unique measurements. Counting error can commonly happen in this process. Number 2 is input of the wrong quantity into the system due to human error. Number 3, stock physically kept at the bin locations A, but system updated in bin locations B. This could be also one common issue faced by a lot of warehouse users. Due to this mistake, when picking this happens, user is not able to find the exact item in the bin locations. Number 4, product got damaged due to handling issue after the put away functions is generated, and there are no proper documents recorded in this process. So these are all the common issues faced by the user during the put away processes. So what is your common issue? I would like to hear from you. Okay, so that's all for my sharing today. Thanks for watching. My name is Vivian, and I see you in my next video. Bye.